The Mediana A16 AED is designed to provide rapid and effective response in cases of sudden cardiac arrest. This device is engineered for user-friendliness, ensuring that even individuals without medical training can operate it confidently during emergencies. The Mediana A16 is available as a semi-automatic or fully automatic model, depending on your requirements. It offers clear voice instructions guiding the rescuer through each step of the defibrillation process. Users can select between adult and pediatric settings with a simple switch, allowing the device to adjust energy levels appropriately for different age groups. The AED is rated to IP55, indicating a high protection against dust and water, making it suitable for various environments. Equipped with a 3000 mAh battery, the Mediana A16 supports up to 200 shocks or 6 hours of continual monitoring, ensuring readiness during prolonged emergencies. The device features a status LCD that displays vital information such as battery level, self-test results, temperature and pad conditions, allowing for quick assessments of the device's readiness. The AED performs automatic self-tests daily, weekly and monthly to ensure optimal functionality. It checks various parameters including pad quality and battery status, alerting users to any issues that need attention.